Have you ever dreamed of living on the edge of the world? Welcome to the Waterfall Cliff Mansion, where nature meets ultimate luxury. Imagine sitting here, watching the golden sunset through these massive glass walls. It's not just a living room, it's a front-row seat to the ocean. Step into this sleek, minimalist kitchen with polished marble and warm wood textures. It's the perfect blend of modern design and natural beauty. And here is your sanctuary. The master suite is designed so you wake up to paradise every single morning. Finally, imagine ending your day here in a spa-like bath with the most breathtaking view on Earth. So, be honest, would you live in a house hanging off a cliff? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more dream homes.